Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Danial bin Ahmad Rashid. Today I want to present to build a switch and router network. Okay, we go to part 1. Set up topology and slash device. Okay, as you can see, I already attached the device and all the device are already power on. And for step 2, initialize and reload the router and switch. For the router, I already command in terminal PCB, and for the switch, I already command in terminal PCA. Okay, for the part 2, configure device and verify connectivity. Step 1, assign static IP information to the PC interface. A, configure the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway setting on PCA. Okay, we open the PCA IP configuration. As you can see, the IP address is same like the addressing table. Okay, move to the B. Configure the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway setting on PCB. Okay, we open the PCB IP configuration. You can see the IP address is same like addressing table 2. Okay, we move to the step 2, configure the router. The router already configured and already insert all the command in the terminal PCB. Okay, for the step 3, configure the switch. I already configured the switch and insert all the command in terminal PCA. Okay, we move to the part 3, display device information. For the step 1, display the routing table on the router. Use the show IP route command on the router R1. Okay, we open to the PCB terminal. Okay, we insert the password. Okay, for that one, show IP route. Okay, these are the input when use the show IP route. And for the step 2, display interface information on the router R1. Use the show IP interface G001 to answer the question. Okay. Okay, you can see is all the output, and from the output we can answer the following question: what the operator status of the G001 interface, and what the is the immediate access control MAC address of the G01 interface. How is the internet address played in his command? Okay, for the step 3, display a summary list of the interface on the router and switch. Okay, for the first, enter the show IP interface. Enter the show IP interface brief command on the router R1. Okay, insert show IP interface brief. As you can see, this is all the output when we enter the show IP interface brief. And to see the IPv6 interface information, we enter the show IPv6 interface brief. Okay, as you can see, this is all the output when we enter the show IPv6 interface brief. Okay, we move to the C, enter the show IP interface brief command on the switch S1. Okay, we open the see in terminal. Okay, we enter the show refresh. Okay, it's all the output when we enter the show interface brief. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.